What's up, YouTube? So as you can see from the thumbnail, I lost my drone, and so I just got home. I took my bath and put on my cap because my hair is rough. Anyways, so before making this video, I already made a video, like an intro. So I already talked about the video was supposed to be about me testing the range of my drone, testing how far it can go. So that was the plan. That's why I came out. Putting out the intro, saying if you're seeing this thumbnail, you know I'm going to be testing my drone, this blah blah blah. So along the line, my drone did not come back. You will see everything in detail in the video. So my drone did not come back. It fell into the water. Let me not spoil it for you guys. I want you to watch the video and see exactly what happened. So anyways, like, I feel so sad. I don't know. I go home, I slept, I woke up, I took my bath. I had to freshen up, eat, and think, you know. So anyways, just hop into the video. So in case, because I'll be editing this video, like I'll be putting everything I said, like from the intro, so watch from the beginning to the end. So I bet you're gonna understand better. So because I was talking about how I'm going to be testing the range of the drone, then you get what I'm saying. So I'll see you guys in the video. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, do not forget to share this video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Why am I even laughing? I'm supposed to be crying. Damn, I was just so stupid. It was my fault. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the video. I'll see you guys next time. See you guys. What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to today's video, and if you're here for the first time, you are highly welcome, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So like you saw in the thumbnail, I'm actually going to the site where I'll be flying my drone and I'll be testing the distance. But although my Mavic Air 2 drone is not fully charged, it's about, like, how many? It's like 75%. I can't really see how many percent it is from the charger, but like it's just showed 3 marks, so I just assumed it's 75%. So I'm almost there, and people are just staring. I don't know why. Black man holding the camera. Anyway, so this is the place. Let me show you guys. I don't know. I can't get it. Anyways, here we are. We're out here, so the camera battery is actually low, and my drone battery is about 75%. I can't tell, like I said earlier on. The only way I can know is when I open the app. So there is a bridge over there, babe. Can you point the camera down there? So there's a bridge down, way down there. So I'm going to see if, can you see the bridge? Eh? Can you? So I'm going to see if my drone can get there, and also to know what the distance is. Whew. Man, it's so cold. The pocket is so warm. Yeah, look at the screen.
So are you not going to still put the footage of this drone inside there?
Inside here.
Your video.
So the plan is to get to the, let me see if this is recording. All right. Farewell. So I have 61% on my battery on my drone. it's not charged, but just keep on going. Keep on going. I think I should stop recording. Let me stop recording. It will save the battery. So I heard 60% now. Wow. Faster. Weak signal. Why? Okay, adjust antenna. Let me just get this clip here. Record. Let me face the sun a bit. Do you think I should keep on going? It's 51%. Do you think I can make it?
If it dies, it falls inside the river.
Yeah, if it dies, it falls in the ocean. Fuck. There's some nice shots here, you know.
Bring it
I'm bringing
back.
it back. Come on now. Oh, wow. %. What the heck? Do you think this is going to get here? And it's not fast, it's so slow. On normal mode, cinema mode. Wow, no.
Where is it?
It's close.
I better get here.
27%. Oh my days. 26%. Now I'm regretting doing this. It's on 24% and it says I have 2 minutes of flight time. I can see this. Babe, look. If you can see this.
If you make it fast, the battery will run down.
I can't make it faster. Let me just pause. Let me stop. So I had to stop recording for a second so it can come back. I can actually see where I am. This is 14%. God damn it. Can this thing go a bit faster? Why is it on 12? Oh man. I hope it makes it. Let me adjust the speed a bit.
Critically low battery.
No. Just keep on going. Ah, fuck. Babe. No, it's trying to land. I don't want it to land. No, fuck. Fuck, is landing. I swear.
Critically low battery.
No, it's landing. No, no. Oh, why is it forced landing now?
Critically low battery.
I've lost this drone, babe, I swear.
Is the battery dead?
It's 5%.
You don't know where it is.
I'm trying to land it in this place now.
Where exactly is it?
It's down, otherwise.
Why did you carry it all the way there knowing it's not charged?
Critically low battery.
Can you imagine?
And it's very slow, I don't know why. Get the fuck out, man. I'm almost there, God. I'm almost there, please. Almost there. Fuck, please, 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 please. And it's so slow. Fuck. Please, 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 please. Just drop outside. Please. I can pick it where I'm going to drop it. This red. Please, please. I'm trying to increase the height. Fuck, go up, please.
By increasing the height, you don't know if you have a battery down now.
Fuck, it's coming down now. It's coming down. It's almost there, but it's coming down. God, can this thing go?
Wait.
Guys, this is how I lost my drone.
We can go and check there because I don't
It's
know.
far, we cannot.
It's not before this thing here.
It's not this one. The other one red house. Is this a red house? Is this a red house?
I don't know.
Give me the camera, let me go and check. There was a red building. So guys, according to the video, according to the live preview of my drone, it was around this corner because I saw this building and I was trying to land it around here, but it's nowhere to be found. I don't know. I think I need to speak to the security here. Well, I'm sure my drone did not make it across this water. 100% sure. Fucking days. What do I do now? Alright, so that's how my drone got lost. So sad. I'm just coming from, I wanted to see if the lifeguard members can maybe help me, but the way the situation is, I don't think I can get any help because where the last preview I got from the drone was very close to the water, and the last preview I got from my drone was very close to the water, so it obviously fell into the water, and that's so sad, man. I really regret trying this out because it was 100% failure. Didn't work out, like it did not work out in any way. so pissed. I have to cut this video short here and go home and cry because anyways, it was fun trying to make this content, but it didn't work in the end. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and probably I won't be creating more content like this because I can't keep on losing gadgets. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.